welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Pad Thai, one of the most delicious and iconic Thai dish. A lot of people say it's hard to make Pad Thai at home, but if you follow the right step, you should get a Pad Thai in less than 20 minutes. And it's way better than takeout. So let's get started. So there are a few special ingredients in this recipe. First is this tamarind paste. You can use the dried tamarind to make the liquid paste or buy the concentrate. Either way works. And palm sugar, fish sauce. The sweet radish, it's a little bit hard to find. If you can find preserved sweet radish like the Japanese radish that's usually used in sushi, it will work fine. So yeah, as always, I will list everything in the description box. First, in the thin sliced chicken, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, mix everything well and set it aside to marinate. Next, we will make the Pad Thai sauce. 4 tablespoons of tamarind, 1½ ounce of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix everything well until most of the palm sugar dissolves. We can set it aside. For the vegetables, I chopped 1 cup of garlic chives and 1 cup of bean sprout. Cut about 8 ounces of tofu into small cubes. I've already soaked the Pad Thai noodles in cold water for 1 hour, or you can soak in lukewarm water for around 15 minutes. For the 2 eggs, we just need to break them and place them in a bowl. Also, cut the dry shrimps into small pieces. Here, I have 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of sweet radish, and 1 sliced shallot. And now we have everything ready. In the wok, we will drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil, toss in the chicken, quickly stir fry until it's fully cooked. And transfer them back to a plate. Next, we will drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil. Throw in the tofu. Stir fry until tofu turns a bit brown. We can add in the dried shrimp, pressed garlic cloves, shallot, and sweet radish. Toss everything around until fragrant. We will toss in the noodles and pour in the sauce right after. Now we just have to stir fry everything together until the noodles absorb all of the delicious sauce. Ooh, right now it smells super delicious. And now we can push the noodles to the side. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil and pour in the eggs. Break the egg yolk. Push the noodle on top of the eggs and let it settle for a little bit. After about 30 seconds, we can stir fry everything together. Finally, we will add in all the vegetables and the cooked chicken. Stir fry everything for 1 to 2 minutes and it's all done. This moment, I just can't wait to bite on the noodles. All the taste, the sour, the sweet, and the salty, they're just so perfectly mixed together. Serve it with fresh lime and some bean sprouts and garlic chive on the side. This is exactly what I need right now. So please give this recipe a try and you will know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this recipe and I will see you in the next one.